Today I'm reviewing the Magic Bag Heat or Cold Pack. You could put it in the freezer and use it as a cold pack or microwave it for 30-second increments. Usually I end up doing 2.5 minutes and shaking it around. Like I'll do it in a minute, I'll shake it around in the microwave, put it back in, do another minute, and make sure that all the heat is distributed. And it is filled with a green, so it is a natural product. You can hear that, and you can see how moldable it is. And when you have pain, stomach cramps, aches, anywhere, you can just lay that on you, and it gives you great comfort. For the weight of it feels great. So I do recommend this product. It's great to have. It's very comforting. The weight of it is just a nice, comforting bag to have.
If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.